Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Emperor, card number 4. The Emperor is depicted as a mature man sitting on a throne adorned with ram's heads, symbolizing the astrological sign Aries and representing leadership, authority, and assertiveness. He wears a crown and holds a scepter in one hand and an orb in the other, symbolizing his control over his realm. His throne is set against a barren mountain landscape, indicating a foundation that is built on discipline and structure. Meaning, this card is about authority and structure. The Emperor represents order, stability, and the power of authority. He brings structure to chaotic situations and emphasizes the importance of rules and regulations. It's also about leadership. This card embodies leadership and responsibility, encouraging you to take charge and lead with confidence and wisdom. Lastly, the Emperor is a reminder that success often comes through discipline, planning, and hard work. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you.